mind blowing it is if I give you an employee that jot down all your thoughts and ideas on your paper. So yes, this is a pen for all of you that helps you to jot down all the things or your notes on your paper. So I want all of you who are action takers that you jot down all the things that I will tell you how to structure your content or content. So let's begin. First, you know that we have to get objective of the speech clear. You should start with the end. Before starting, you should know that what I want my audience to get. I want them to be entertained, educated, or just infotainment. Just keep the purpose in the mind clear before starting your speech. So now you should also remember to structure your content or your speech. You need to maintain the flow of the ideas. If one idea is disrupting the another idea, then it won't be good. So you have to remember that your idea should be inclined to the another idea, and that is what all great speakers do. Now there are three things that you need to do for if you have a time bound, or let's say if you have any speech: opening, body, and conclusion. So we will discuss bit by bit, one by one thing. So your opening shouldn't be boring. Hi, my name is Tanishq. Today I am going to give you a speech on digital marketing. Do you like that? Or do you like I show you with a pen how I start my speech? So you can start your speech in 10 to 20 manner. So first is personal story, second your prop, third your humor or joke, then a long pause or pause when people are not listening you. Take a long pause for 5 seconds. Yes. Then you can start. This is a magical thing because people will be shocked. Why is he silent? Why? Then fourth thing you can do, ask question. First, rhetorical question, because when people will be engaged, or if you may think that, or if you take the audience to think about something, then your job is done. Also, you can do that. You can start with story plus imagination thing, visualize. This is also amazing thing to start. So I tell you 6 ways. You can find out more ways because I want you to find out that thing. If I will tell, then it's a spoon feeding. So now let's talk about body. In body, you need to figure out 3 to 4 main key things while preparing your speech, because you do not have to give a lot of ideas, just 3 to 4 things, because if people get so much ideas, then they won't be relate with you. So you can also include the fact or child coding in between. Also, before starting your speech, you can do practice of writing, because then it will internalize in your brain. These need to be remember also that when you are making your speech or when you are making your body, then it should be like giving a speech to that audience while remembering their agenda or while remembering what thing that they do. That is, audience centric speech. There's a pause that I want to tell that when after telling this I have taken a pause, then you just become more and more inclined, or let's say emphasize on that word ACC, audience centric content or audience centric speaker. So this thing you can do while preparing your body. So now conclusion should be a end at a high speed like that, and I will also end with this topic with bye bye.